Actually, the reason we called it SouthDown Farm, this area here, there was a post office here. This is the first year that we had the sugar house built. We got it through a KSU Small Farmers Grant.
We have 50 acres here, and I'm probably utilizing maybe about 20 acres of it right now. There's so little time, so many trees.
Before this, we've been sugaring for several years, most of the time just for our own selves. Last year we did it to sell at the farmers markets. So this year we're doing farmers markets and we're putting in a commercial kitchen, so we hope to be able to do sales outside of the farmers market yet also.
We have 200 taps out this year, and I would say that's probably about 170 trees, because some trees you can tap more than one time.
It's one of the reasons we're so excited about the possibilities for maple syrup in this area, because we've got the mountains, we've got the trees, and it creates a natural vacuum. So you don't have as much initial startup cost as you might if you had to get a vacuum system and all that.
Look around, people will say, that's hillside property, it's worthless, there's nothing here, you know, $500 an acre. But there's maple trees all over these hills, and we can tap into an untapped resource. If you think about the hundreds of gallons of sap collected and it all comes out like this, you know, I mean, it just amazes me how much you can collect.
This season so far has been huge and awesome. For here in this area, we've had below the 32 and above, more like around 40. We've had that back and forth happening every week. Last 2-3 weeks, we've been running it almost daily.
Even in the midst of a property that's been strip mined, there's redeemable factors when we think about maple.
Well, maple syrup is sweet, delicious. It makes anything better. You know, we have this resource. Well, that's one thing that Letcher County has is trees. You know, this doesn't take the tree down, so it's not there anymore.
Extension has helped. They've tried some things, and successes and failures that they've had helps inform us about what we should do or what we need to stay away from in doing that as well. So having a demonstration project has been really interesting to see hands-on too.
There's more requests than we can fill at this point, so we're...
That's a nice problem, isn't it?
It sure is. It takes work to cook it down and to get everything set up, but there's a lot of people that are interested in the product. You know, you don't have to worry about trying to sell this product. If you make it and you make it well, people want it.
I take the opinion that there's no silver bullets out there. There's not one next thing that's going to save Appalachia, but I call maple syrup a silver BB. Just one of the things that could have an impact on agriculture in the state and eastern Kentucky. When we think of ag, we get forgotten sometimes, don't we? I mean, we think of ag and forestry, and this is a forest ag product. It's just right for us.